Thinking about purchasing a LifeWave X2O, but wondering what happens if it's not right for you? Well, let's walk through the return and refund policy, and I'll try my best to keep it simple and clear. Hey, I'm Gretchen, and today I want to walk you through the actual policy for returns and refunds for the LifeWave X2O Light-Infused Water System because let's be real, this is a significant investment. And one of the biggest questions people have is, what if I try it and it's not for me? So let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand. First, it's important to know that this policy is separate from LifeWave's standard 90-day money back guarantee. So the X2O has its own specific return structure, and I'll walk you through exactly how it works. Now, there are three main scenarios: unopened, used, and defective units. So, number one, unopened unit. If your unit is unopened, you have 7 days from receipt to return it. You'll receive a full refund minus the original $49 shipping fee. Number two, used unit. This is a big one. Now, once water has run through the machine, it's considered used. Here's how this works. If you return it within 7 days, you can get a full refund minus a $100 restocking fee, any packaging charges, and you cover return shipping. If you return it after 7 days, but before 30 days, you'll receive a refund minus $49 shipping, a $500 cancellation fee, and return shipping. Now, after 30 days from receipt, a used unit is no longer eligible for a refund regardless of condition. Now let's talk about defective units, and this is important. If your unit is defective, you have 30 days to return it, and you'll receive a full refund, including shipping, and LifeWave covers return shipping. Now, let's talk about how returns work. If you do need to return it, here's the process. Step one, contact customer service. You'll request what's called a RMA, return authorization. Step two, prepare your unit, ideally with original packaging. Step three, ship it back with tracking. That is important. And step four, refund processing. Once received and inspected, refunds are issued to your original payment method. And that can take up to 14 days to show up. Now let's talk about important details people miss. A few key things to keep in mind. Used includes even lightly testing the machine. You must return all components, packaging, manuals, accessories. Returns require authorization, no exceptions. And this policy overrides the 90-day guarantee used for patches and supplements. So here's my honest perspective. This policy is designed to give you a clear window to evaluate the product while also protecting the integrity of a high-value wellness system. So if you're considering it, the key is to be intentional, use it right away, and evaluate it within that initial window. If you want more details, I'd be happy to email you the full X2O returns and refund policy document. Just reach out via email with that request. And if you're not already working with a LifeWave brand partner and want help ordering a machine, please email me for ordering help. And if you're currently using the X2O, I'd love to hear your experiences. Feel free to drop them in the comments. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.